Hey guys, welcome back to the recording of my live trading. I have to do a voiceover because I was out. I did bring my laptop, so yeah, I've done this before, as you know. So as usual, so what I would do, I would play the screen recording and I would do a voiceover, right? I will comment as we go. All right, so this was the recording of yesterday, New York AM session, Thursday the 3rd of October. Right, and the time was, I think it was 9 yeah, just after 9 a.m. Okay, so all right, without further ado, okay, let's just get started. All right, so there was a New York AM session, and I also, it was not 9 a.m. sorry guys, it was 10 a.m. New York time yesterday. It was 11 minutes past 10. Okay, so let me just pause that for a while. So just very quickly, I saw price was residing on the 1 hour support, right? And that 1 hour support also resides inside a 4 hour support, and it is close to daily support. Okay, however, as of this area over here, let me just get rid of, okay, sorry, you can't really see it, but yeah, just behind this, right, so price just touched the daily support, which would obviously it's going to be very, very strong. I see, there you go, you can, oh man, every time I move my mouse this thing appear. Okay, so you can see just down there, when price makes that V, right, when it pivots going to the upside, it actually coincides with the 1 hour support, 4 hour support, and also daily support. Now I made a note yesterday that the price also took out the previous swing low, right, which is over here, right, as you can see, and I took this as a displacement, right, on the 1 minute, okay, for me to go long. However, I did say that the displacement was not the best. So if you, I don't know whether you can see, so I did say not the best displacement on the 1 minute, but on the 5 minute is the V rejection, impulsive price move down, impulsive move up. Normally when price retrace, it would then continue, brings price back to continue higher. I did mention this in my previous video. It was, I think, the 2nd of October or the 1st of October. Yeah, I saw it this week's videos, right? Check it out. I did say I noticed that when price sort of like, you know, goes down really quick, right, with an impulsive move, and then suddenly you have that rejection, so you leave the imbalance going down, and you also leave an imbalance going up. That whole shape or that whole formation, I see price retrace back, and then after to continue higher, and I saw on the 5 minute it was doing that, and I was betting that it would have a bit of pullback, right on that pullback to continue higher. But yeah, just check it out. Okay, so I did say about this, waiting for 2022 ICT entry on pullbacks after displacement on the M1. Yeah, even though I did say it's not the best displacement. Yeah, why it's not the best displacement? Because it has, well, it had a few bearish candles. So when I said displacement, I want to have, like, I want to see 3-4 sort of like, you know, big massive bullish candles, right, and then to break structures or break all the resistance, for a few resistance, and then to come back down and fill the imbalance. So this is just my empty file. I was just like measuring the fib. Okay, so once you have the displacement, I was trying to catch the less than 50%, and so behind the scene I was like trying to calculate the what do you call it, the stop loss amount, and also the lot size. And I think halfway I was doing that, again I was out. Okay, that's why I didn't bring my recording microphone with me. I did bring my laptop. I was out, and obviously the background was not, you know, a proper, you know, setup to trade, and yeah, I got people talking, right, and I was just in the middle of you know, so I was out with the family. Yeah, I didn't make it, so I didn't get the chance to place the order. So yeah, I've missed it, and I just realized, oh shoot, I missed it, and I did a market order, right? I think I did. Yeah, I think I did. So because I knew that I wanted to enter on that green line over there. If you can see, right? Let me just pause that. So I wanted to enter the where the green line is, right? 42012. That was the price that I wanted to get in, but price tapped into that and then just left. Okay. And then I put my stop loss over here. I think. Yeah. Yeah, put over there. It's a nice swing point over there. Yeah, I missed by 25 pips. If you see my the thing that I dragged below, it was actually 25 pips I missed, right? What a bummer. That's how fast price moved during the New York session for US30. So yeah, price has kind of left my entry, that where I wanted to enter into a trade originally, but that's okay. I mean, I was in anyway, so I was okay with it. Yeah, it was partly my fault. Yeah, if I did enter where I wanted to enter originally, I would have gotten like a 1-to-1, but I didn't. So I knew that I was gonna get less than 1-to-1. Okay, so I wrote down I missed an entry by 25 pips. So I said didn't make it to place the order before I finished calculating the lot size. All right. Right. I was just showing you where I bought at. Okay. Yeah, so I was happy with the way price moved, right? I was like almost certain that I would have gotten my TP hit, but if you can see, price just anyway, I'll let you watch how price moves, right? You see, this is real time. Yeah, the price is still ticking, so even though it's a voiceover, there you go. Right, so that I wanted to actually get out on that swing high, but then there was the farthest price went to. Okay, and from then on price started falling, lower and lower and lower. So yeah, what a bummer, but it's okay. Yeah, I haven't actually placed my take profit, but it didn't actually touch it anyway. Yeah, that's where I wanted price to go to. Yeah, 42167. That's what I wanted. Yeah. Although to be fair, if I did because I was in a hurry, so the most important part before was getting in and then putting my stop loss. I didn't put my TP right away because I wanted to go back to trading view and just want to see, just to double check, triple check, how where I am, in terms of the whole structure. Then when I went back, I placed. Anyway, so while I was doing that, to be honest, if I did place my TP with the spread, I would have actually gotten that up here. I would have gotten that because from there to there is actually less than 2 pips, right? And the spread for US30 normally is 2 pips. Yeah, so in terms of the technical analysis on the chart, I didn't get that, so I didn't get my TP, but it just but even if I did place my TP, it would have been sort of like a lucky win because of spread, right? Not because it did go to the TP before it hit my stop loss. So I moved. So looking at how price move, right, and then and followed by bearish candle, and now it's actually heading back to kind of back to my entry. I moved my stop loss there, right, so it's close to BE, close to my entry point. Is such a nice swing point as well. So I thought when price if price did hit my trade stop loss, yeah, it's not the highest probability setup anyway, I thought. Yeah. Yeah, so on the 5 minutes, as you can see, price move impulsively down into the 1 hour support. Price move impulsively up as well on these multiple support area. So I thought, okay, I'm trying to catch the retracement down to continue higher. That's what I was hoping for. And then there was a previous swing high that has not been tapped as well. Let me just forward it a little bit faster. Okay, so price has now come back to my entry point, and as you can see, it's gonna hit my, yeah, there you go, just move, I hit my trail stop loss. It's close to break even. It's okay, it's fine. Nope. Yeah, I'm still watching how price is behaving, because my whole I'm still confident of the trade idea, because it's such a strong support area, and I just can't see, you know, with that the way price behave, you know, earlier in New York. Sorry, let me just show you this here. So I actually did move my stop loss. Where is it? Yeah, so I did move my stop loss here, right? It was actually down there before. I was saying, yeah, I was still certain of the trade idea, and I thought, okay, there's still some more like fair value gap below here that price might wanna tap into. So I was waiting for another, you know, displacement. Yeah, and plus I've managed to manage the trade to not lose the full risk. Yeah, and because of that market conditions, I did a half a risk anyway yesterday. So this whole thing was a half a risk. So it was a close to break even of a half a risk. All right, when I say half risk means 0.5%. Normally I trade 1% per trade. Okay, I was just waiting. I'm just fast forwarding this. Yeah, there's nothing here. Yeah, price continue to move lower and lower. Okay, I said this hourly candle. What did I say? Okay, so this hourly candle or the previous one has not closed below the 1 hour support or the 4 hour support. So yeah, this hourly candle and that hour candle and the one before that has not closed below that. So again, this is why I'm just so confident in terms of the trade idea. Price shouldn't actually be able to break this support, you know, that easily, because that was actually the first time it touched the daily support too, you know. That's why I thought, okay, I didn't get my full half percent risk gone, right? So I thought I've got some more ammo, some more bullet. So I placed the second one, second trade. So I said that the 9M candle actually tested the daily support, right? This was a daily support. Daily support. Okay, I'm gonna show. I want to show you the. There's the. That was the reason why I entered for the second trade. So I thought, so there was a 5 minutes resistance or the structure that on the 1 minute that price broke through with a series of big strong bullish candle. Sorry guys. So I'll get involved one more time. Yeah, so I said I will get involved one more time because previous risk was close in area at BE at break even. So yeah, that was the full you know, displacement that made me want to go into the second trade. Yeah. So I placed it just slightly above the fair value gap, okay, but still under the 50% fib. It was 42007. That was the price. Yeah, so you can see here 42007. So let me pause it there. So that was the, what do you call it, fair value gap, the 1 minute fair value gap, and also below the 50%. Okay, so yeah, my order has been picked up, I think. I'm in now. Fair value, yep. On the 1 minute. Alright, so order filled. But this one is pretty short-lived. Yeah, so this one I took a full loss right at 0.5%. Yeah, so that's it. That was the full loss. Yeah, so that was it, guys. That was just a quick recap on yesterday's trade. One full loss at 0.5%, and also a almost close to BE loss. If I were to review back the whole trade idea, let me just show you actually. Yeah, where are we? Alright, so that was my comments on the chart yesterday. Alright, so that was actually the fee rejection, guys. Yeah. Did price? Yeah, so price went sideways all the way, right? As you can see, and that was my TP. That was my TP before, right? And then that was, yeah, and then that was this candle here, right? Is when I got in, right? But did not here. Okay, this is where I got in, but as you can see, price just kinda reversed to the downside. Yeah, away from that TP. That was my take profit. Okay, and I got stopped at here, and also here, also over here, right? And from then on, price just went like literally sideways. It just stays in this range. Okay, it's insane. Where are we? Wow, look at this, guys. So this was yesterday, New York AM session. Basically, that was pretty much it, and price has not gone above this 1 hour resistance or this daily 4 hour and 1 hour support either. Let me just reverse back. Well, okay, so that's it, guys. It went sideways. It's all the inside candles, right? The candles were closing in like next to each other, right? I just got chopped out in pieces, right? So this was my, I was hoping price, will break this resistance, but it just didn't. Yeah, come to think about it, yeah, price has been really choppy. Look at this, right? This whole thing, right? Look at this. Yeah, it just been really choppy. And in my previous video, I did mention that when price had this double wicks on both sides, right? This like this one, and was it on the 4 hour? Yeah, so okay, this one, yeah. So this and this, okay. So this was Powell, a speech, and this was another read for the news 2 Fridays ago. Yeah, it was just no, not 2 Fridays ago. It was last Friday. Yeah, it price just went crazy. You know, it just has been whipsawing back and forth. You know, since, was it 2 Fridays ago? Oh my goodness. Yeah, it has been 2 Fridays ago. Look at this. So yeah, it's just been really tough, guys. Yeah, come to think about it, I should have known better. I should have just stayed out of the market, you know, until price goes below this area here, right? This support, or this level of this range, or above it. Yeah, I think that's what I will do. So this coming week, unless price can break below this, probably best for me to stay out for a while until it clears out. All right. Okay, but yeah, again, we'll see. We'll take it one day at a time. Okay, I'm still gonna shop every day regardless, right? That's just part of the game. I'm gonna shop every day and see what price wants to show me. Well, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good weekend. Happy trading and stay well, guys.